everyone, Sherry Lynn here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you guys how to make my absolute favorite fat bomb. These are buttercream dipped in chocolate fat bombs and they are so delicious. Anytime I get a sweet tooth, this is what I make. They freeze beautifully and you can grab one whenever you need it. I know you guys are gonna love it. Super easy to make. Check it out. So jumping right into this keto fat bomb recipe, what you're going to need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter. You do want the cream cheese and the butter to get to room temperature. It will mix up a lot better. You'll need 2 tablespoons of your sweetener. I'm using a stevia monk fruit blend. You're gonna need some vanilla extract and then some dark chocolate chunks, and that's it. You do not have to make the chocolate topping on this, so if you don't want chocolate or you don't like chocolate, just leave that part out. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just put your butter and your cream cheese in a bowl, and you're gonna wanna mix that with a hand mixer on a low speed for about 6 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. About halfway through, you're going to want to go ahead and scrape the sides. Next step is you're going to want to add 1 teaspoon of your vanilla extract and your 2 tablespoons of sweetener. You want to slowly combine into the mixture. Anytime you use a hand mixer, you want to start on low. If you go faster right off the bat, it will splatter it everywhere. So start low, get it combined, and then you can speed up your mixer. Next step is to go ahead and slowly add in your sweetener. And I just do a little bit at a time. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to make this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spoon it out in little spoonfuls on some wax paper, and then we set it in the freezer for about an hour. And while that's freezing up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make the chocolate topping. Okay, so what I do with these is I just put a little bit on a spoon and then put it on a piece of wax paper. So if you don't like chocolate, you'll stop here. Just put these in the freezer and eat them just like they are. They're delicious. Without the chocolate, all of these is about 1,600 calories. That varies depending on what butter and what cream cheese you use. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer. While these are hardening up, I'm going to go ahead and make the chocolate that we're gonna drizzle on top. So the topping that we're going to use is so easy to make. It literally is just melted dark chocolate. So I take about a half cup of chocolate and put it in a bowl and then microwave this for about 30 seconds. So it's been 30 seconds. You're just gonna wanna go ahead and mix this and then put it back in for another 30 seconds. So it took mine 1 minute total time, and you got completely melted chocolate. So now that the chocolate's had a second to cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the butter cheese fat bombs, and I'm gonna show you how I drizzle the chocolate on. There's actually 2 different ways that I can do it, so you pick which way you like the best. So the easiest way to get the chocolate on top of these is just to drizzle it on, and it's really this simple. So that's how you can do it if you're just drizzling it. The second way, and this is if you really like a lot of chocolate, is you can take 2 forks, stick them into your fat bomb, and just roll it in the chocolate. So that's what they look like if you roll them in the chocolate. This is how they look drizzled. And this is your fat bombs if you don't want any chocolate on them. Okay, so now that these are done, the next step is just to plop them back in the freezer. Let them set for about an hour and they're ready to eat. Okay, so these are completely done. It's been an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and try one, although I know it's gonna be delicious. Let's just taste it to make sure. I think these are the absolute best fat bombs that you can find. I don't think you'll disagree, but go ahead and give them a taste and comment and let me know what you think of them. They're just so good. It's hard to believe that you can eat something that tastes like this on a diet. So hope you enjoy them. Go ahead and give them a try. I would love to hear what you think of them, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.